Chicago has been the #1 market in terms of rental properties like these. These are the #1 of #1. What do I mean? The small multifamily space is the most profitable deals that you can buy in one of the top markets in the country. You know, a lot of people want to find these deals. They want to be able to fund them, and they want to become successful real estate investors. Yet the problem is they don't know where to get started. My name is Andrew Holmes, and you know, in the last 10 years, I've taught thousands of people just like you. The best part is they're all here local. Who would you rather learn from? Some internet guru that is here today and gone tomorrow? Or would you rather work with somebody that's right here in Chicago so you can learn local and you can invest local? You know, the best part is this. All you have to do is click on the link below and let's get started. Let's do it together, because the best part is there are thousands of properties like this. Guys, now's the time. The market is changing. The question is, are you in or are you still going to be out? Well, I know it's possible, and let's do it together. Click on the link below.